Hello everyone, this is Paul coming to you from the logo department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a simple image to your Silhouette Studio. I'll be using the standard studio, not the designer's edition. When searching for an image, you want to go with the simplest picture you can find until you master the trace tool. This is a beginner's technique, so it's going to be fairly quick. Here I am placing my image into the studio. Right now this image is not ready for cut. In order to convert it, I'm going to have to click on the trace tool over here to the right. Select my trace area, click trace, trace it, and I will just move this to the side, come back to it later, and I will just save this, and now this image is ready to be cut. Stay tuned if you guys want to see this image turned into a decal and many other things in the following videos.